Okay, I'm in the back forest garden, and this is a pawpaw plant. I put a little tag on it so it doesn't get mowed over. But it's in full shade. As you can see here, it's covered up by this nanking and this fence. So it doesn't get much sunlight, and this is about 3 years old. And it's only about 2 feet tall. But it's happy, it's growing. But let's look at some other ones that were planted at the same stage on the same day in different light areas. There are two back here, one right in front of you that gets a little bit more sunlight. You can see it has, more open sky, not completely crowded out by other plants. And then also one next to it that's not doing so good. I tried to transplant that one and didn't want to move, so I think I angered it. But hey, when you see the holes in your pawpaw, that means that the zebra swallowtail butterfly, I think it's a butterfly. The larvae were eating it and turning into, there's like a bird fight over there. The zebra swallowtail butterflies laid their eggs and used this as a host plant, which is what you want. Let's look at some of the other pawpaw trees and see how they did. So this one here gets a little bit more sun, as you can see, but still that's south that way, so it gets that south-facing shade, which was great in the early stages. But as it grows taller, it will reach over the fence and get a lot more sunlight and fruit heavily, hopefully. And right next to it, a little bit bigger. I think that's just because of the angle of this fence and the shade provided by the pecan tree. This gets more sunlight than we saw before, but still not a ton. And this gets a little bit more because it's further away from the pecan tree and the shade in the back. And then finally, an even taller one here. That's really happy. And this one gets the most sun. So yeah, this is a 3-year-old pawpaw tree as well. Surprisingly, it didn't fruit or flower this year. I don't know, it feels like in this climate, trees have to be decent size, unless they are cultivated varieties that are meant to flower early. But I have them planted pretty close together to ensure good pollination. And hopefully in next year I'll get my first fruit, and the year after these other ones will start fruiting, and the ones in the shade will eventually fruit, but they won't fruit very much because of their location. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to learn more about growing fruits in your backyard.